Paano po kung ako po yung gusto niya laging nagfa-first move? Given the fact na mataas pride niya. Sa totoo naman talaga kasi sigarilyo tayo naman talaga mga lalaki ang dapat mag-first move. That's the way things are. Though, sa umpisa lang dapat yan. Ngayon, if for example, nagde-date na kayo ng like 4, 5, 6 months na, pero ikaw pa din yung lagi nagfa-first move, medyo may mali ka ng ginagawa niyan, sigarilyo. I just wanna clarify things lang, no? Ang sinasabi ko dito ay hindi dapat lalaki yung laging unang nagre-reach out sa babae. Especially kapag nagde-date na sila ng mga months na. Pero when it comes to asking her out on a date, yes, dapat yung lalaki ang nagpa-first move dyan. Ang trabaho ng babae ay magparamdam by way of reaching out to the guy through chat or call. Then ang trabaho naman ni guy ay magpa-first move to ask the girl out on a date. I will explain on that further later dito sa video. Kasi typically sa umpisa, dapat talaga yung mga lalaki nag-initiate ng contact. And when I say initiate ng contact, I mean asking her out on a date. Hindi yung magre-reach out ka sa kanya through chat and then ang ending, whole day na kayong magkausap through chat lang. Hindi ganoon, sigarilyo. What I meant by tayo yung mag-initiate ng contact sa kanila is basically asking them out on a date once per week na muna. Then after a few weeks of successful dating, mapapansin mo na in the middle of the week, siya na yung mag-reach out sa'yo. And then they will say something in the lines of, "Uy, kumusta ka na? I had fun sa last date natin. Thanks pala dun ah." Then, when this happens, take this opportunity to set up another date with her for that week. What this does kasi, it will train the woman that you are dating na her reaching out to you means you setting up a definite date with her. So after this, in the next couple of weeks, mapapansin mo na siya na yung nagre-reach out sa'yo ng madalas. Kasi bakit? Kasi nakondisyon mo na si babae na her reaching out to you will earn her another date. Ganun yon mga sigarilyo. Baka naman kasi ikaw everyday ikaw yung unang nagchat-chat sa kanya and you never give her space to miss you and think about you. Kung ganun ang galawan mo, sigarilyo, hindi talaga yan magre-reach out sa'yo ng kusa. Bakit? Kasi if you do this, you're not giving her time to reach out to you first. Ang dapat nyong gawin after ng first date nyo, huwag nyo munang kukontakin kaagad si girl. Let her think about you through your absence. And if you do not contact her immediately after your date, this will actually give her time to miss you and think about you. And sabi nga ng mga in-check na if the woman is thinking about you, you win the battle. Bakit kamo? Because through your absence, her attraction level and her anticipation for you will go up. Ngayon, if you're saying na, boss sweet, siya na mismo yung nagsabi na gusto ako lagi yung magre-reach out sa kanya Always remember, women say differently to what they emotionally respond to. In other words, kung sinabi ng babae na gusto nila yung guy lagi yung nagre-reach out sa kanila, that doesn't mean na if you do that, na it will have a positive reaction sa attraction level nila towards you. Naka-encounter na rin ako ng ganito dati. Sinabi niya na never akong unang nagre-reach out sa mga lalaki. Pero nung nag-no contact ako sa kanya, after a few days, she reached out to me. Sinabi niya na, "Hey, may kakilala ka ba na nagtatrabaho sa blah 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 blah?" Her reaching out like that means that she wants to see me. Always assume, guys, na if a girl reaches out to you, always assume that they want to see you. So if something like this happens to you, take that opportunity to set a definite date with them. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo, and if you guys want my help personally, the easiest way is to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. Just click the link in my bio if you're on TikTok, and kung nasa YouTube naman kayo, the link is in the description below. Peace!